Versatile all-purpose paper towels, good for drying hands, wiping surfaces and cleaning up spills. Efficient 324 sheets per roll help reduce runouts and refills. HYGIENIC one-hand dispensing helps avoid dispenser contact, helping to reduce the risk of cross-contamination. Helps reduce waste. This unique commercial paper towel dispenser and perforated paper towels deliver one towel at a time. Compatible with SofPull Centerpull regular capacity paper towel dispenser, 58204. SofPull Centerpull premium paper towels are soft for thorough, gentle hand drying, yet strong and absorbent for light cleanups. And because these towels are thick and high quality, employees and patrons tend to take fewer, helping to reduce waste. The dispenser's one-at-a-time design helps reduce waste and, because contact with the dispenser is minimized, there can be less risk of cross-contamination. The dispenser is designed to not only dispense one at a time, every time, but also it's easy to load a fresh roll with one hand, saving on maintenance time. Use these premium paper towel systems in restrooms, break rooms, waiting rooms, food preparation areas and more. GP Pro is a division of Georgia-Pacific Consumer Products. We deliver well-designed, durable and easy-to-maintain professional solutions to meet the handwashing and cleaning needs for a range of business applications. Top reviews from the United States. Best Centerpull towels yet. These towels work great, they pull from the center of the roll really easy, they tear off with just a slight tug, and they absorb really good. They are thinner than all the brands I have tried, but work better.